Hello friends, here in this latest episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel, you are going to know about top 5 plants that should be in your home. It will be so beneficial for you as these plants have the power to purify your surrounding air and give you 24/7 fresh oxygen supply, as well as they are able to remove different pollutants from the air. So they will make your health better and bring prosperity in your life. So before moving on to that, consider subscribing as interesting videos are keep coming. So in number 1, it is money plant. Like its name, it has some unique qualities. It works as a great air purifier in your home. Money plants are ideal for removing airborne pollutants from indoor air such as benzene, formaldehyde, carbon monoxide and Xylene. So that way it works as a natural air purifier that helps in improving our health and providing us the blessing of fresh air and good health. So next in number 2, it is spider plant. Spider plants are good for air purification. It removes indoor airborne pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene and other toxic fumes. Other benefits of spider plant including absorption of ozone, and it also humidify the air. In third position we have peace lily. Peace lily is also a great purifier of air that filters the indoor air and helps in reducing the volatile organic compounds. It also absorbs the airborne mold spores, which are a common allergen that create allergy in our body. So keeping it in your bedroom also helps in good sleep. Also, peace lily absorbs the harmful acetone vapor that is commonly found in the nail polish remover, varnishes, paints and rubbing alcohols. So in number 4, it is jade plant. Jade plant is best at removing toluene and acetone as well as volatile organic compounds like formaldehyde from the air. It also humidifies the air. Jade plant is believed to attract prosperity and fortune in Asian countries. Jade plant may reduce carbon dioxide in night as well. In number 5, it is Tulsi or holy basil. It is a great oxygen generator which can give competition to the best air purifier in the world. It gives out oxygen for 20 of the 24 hours of a day. Tulsi or holy basil also absorbs harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. It has uncountable benefits to our health. So you must grow Tulsi in your home. When we consume its leaves, it provides vitamin C and zinc. It thus acts as a natural immunity booster and keeps infections and diseases away. It has immense antibacterial and antiviral and antifungal properties which protect us from varieties of infections and disease. So we should grow all this in our home to make a healthy atmosphere to live a healthy and wealthy life. So that's all for today. Subscribe my channel if you like my video and give a like and share with your friends. So see you guys in the next episode. Until then, stay safe and keep supporting. Thank you.